Shenzhen Huidafar Technology Company Limited was founded in 2006 and focuses on producing mobile phone battery many years. We have 2 factories located in Shenzhen and Dongguan, and a factory area of over 20,000 square meters. We have imported brands of the advanced automatic machine to SMT PCB boards and the advanced automatic machine to produce for iPhone battery and Android battery. We have very professional R&D engineer team are the top of the battery industry. Our core engineer is our company's boss. He engaged in battery industry more than 20 years. We can fast R&D latest model battery at every month. Our brand is DEJI. We have stocks for DEJI brand battery and can fast deliver the goods in 2 to 5 days. Our DEJI brand battery have CE, FCC, RoHS, PSE, KC, UN38.3, MSDS, IEC 62133, CB, TUVS, UKCA, ALPAO certifications. Our factory also passed the ISO 9001 quality management system. Our DEJI brand battery have very good evaluation in the market. We have global DEJI brand agents, Turkey, Russia, Brazil, the United States, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Spain, Netherlands, Poland, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Lebanon, and other countries. We also accept OEM and ODM business. We insisted on the principle of quality first, reputation supreme, customer foremost, and service the best. We warmly welcome all domestic and overseas customers to contact us for mutual benefits and win-win cooperation.